Xiangtai Purification was founded in 2014, committed to the development and production of high-quality air purifier. The company has obtained ISO 9001, BC, EPA and other certifications. Products have CE, CB, RoHS, ETL, FCC certifications. Air Purifier series covers purification, disinfection, sterilization and other functions. Company has a team full of passion, dreams, innovative spirit and service ability. It has a 30 cubic meter standard laboratory. Establish an aging laboratory to test performance, durability and reliability. Set up the filter production workshop. Equipped with folding machine, glue machine and other machines, can produce various grades of HEPA filter, primary filter, activated carbon filter and so on. At the same time we can produce more than hundreds brand of adaptive filter. The company has 2 air purifier finished product assembly lines. Adopt lean production management mode to build 6S workshop. More than 70% of the production staff have more than 4 years of air purifier experience in assembly. Aging test process, 100% for inspection, to ensure the performance. Power test 100% for inspection. Pressure resistance test 100% for inspection. Checking the appearance of each air purifier before packaging, from packaging production line. Support customized packaging materials.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.